Calling all peanut butter lovers. Today I'm taking a classic dessert and giving it a delicious upgrade. It's time to bake delicious peanut butter cookies. These cookies are a perfect blend of soft and chewy and packed with rich peanut butter flavors. They're slightly elevated from the classic recipe with an additional honey and a touch of granulated sugar for a delightful texture contrast. The best part, these cookies are incredibly easy to make. No fancy equipment needed, just some simple mixing and chilling. Craving some homemade peanut butter goodness? Look no further. This recipe is easy and delivers pure deliciousness. Stick around, I'll show you how they're made. All right, let's get started. The full ingredients list with the amounts is in the video description below. In a bowl of a stand mixer or with a hand mixer, start by creaming together the butter and the brown sugar until light and fluffy. This will take about 5 minutes with a stand mixer and about maybe 8 minutes with a hand mixer. Add in the egg and egg yolks until everything is well combined, keeping the mixer on low speed. Now comes the star of the show, peanut butter. Add it along with the honey and vanilla extract, mixing on low speed until well incorporated. In a separate bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, salt, and baking soda. Next, gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients and mixing on low speed just until combined. Don't overmix. Here's where things get fun. Using a scoop or a tablespoon, scoop out enough dough and roll out each dough ball, and then dump it into the granulated sugar for a delightful textural contrast. Finally, press those dough balls into the chopped peanuts. You might have to put a little bit on top as it might not stick. This will be the yummy, nutty top for the cookies. After shaping the cookie dough balls, it's time for a chill session in the fridge. This helps the cookies bake up with those perfect cracks and chewy texture. Chill for at least 30 minutes. Place each dough ball at least 3 inches apart on a cookie sheet that's lined with parchment paper. Rotate the cookie sheet halfway through the baking. Let the cookies cool slightly on the baking sheet before transferring to a wire rack to let them cool completely. This dough freezes perfectly, so you can bake up a batch whenever a peanut butter craving hits. So there you have it. These sensational peanut butter cookies are a perfect treat to satisfy your sweet tooth. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share your baking adventures in the comments below. And happy baking. My turn. Ooh. Very chewy. So good. Thanks for watching.